It's comic book character time here on Art for All, and today we're going to draw a character from the Archie comics series. He's the character that has that name that you really wouldn't want to have if it was your nickname, and that's Jughead, and he's always wearing this funny crown. We're going to draw him today with plaid pants and a purple shirt, and see if we can capture that funny smirk he's got on his face. Here I go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.